Okay, I pause it here for a second. King, queen offsuit. We have to mention that when the spew player opens in the middle position, he will be quite loose. Probably around 25% of the time he will open there. The leg player will have a wide 3-betting range, and because of that we could develop a wider code 4-bet range. I'm not saying that this hand has to be part of it, but we have a king blocker and a queen blocker, so we could consider this some of the time, not 100% of the time. And to avoid higher variance play, I would fold this, but ace queen offsuit would be definitely a code 4-bet here. Aces on table 5. I'm considering 3-betting the nit, but because he's a nit, he's folding a lot, so I probably just call. On table 1, I'm betting my flush draw, and I have a good overcard. I have a combo draw there, and I'm betting for value and protecting my equity. And I could bluff there, but I don't push bluffs against fish, so I just fold it. Check fold it. Okay, so when he checks on the turn, I bet with aces. And he folds. King queen offsuit, standard open, under the gun. King 8, standard open as well. When the fish calls, I just fold.